All right, that the cause and we're looking at halogens in this video. Halogens are group 7 elements in the periodic table, and halogen is formed from a Greek word meaning salt former. Halo means salt, gen means generator or former. So the whole idea of halogen means salt former because they actually form salts. And there are 5 elements in that group: chlorine, fluorine first, chlorine next, bromine, iodine, and astatine. So those are the 5 elements that we have in the halogen series. The astatine among them, it's radioactive in nature. All right, fluorine is found in combined states because it's too reactive to be found as a free element. So it's found in combined states as fluorspar, calcium fluoride, as cryolite, trisodium hexafluoroaluminate 3, Na3, Al, F6. So these are the occurrence of fluorine. Halogens are not found in free state because they are too reactive. Chlorine, bromine, and iodine are found as halide in seawater. You find chlorine and sodium chloride in seawater, bromine and sodium bromide in seawater or magnesium bromide, and iodine and sodium iodide in seawater. And one of the most important sources of sodium chloride is from seawater by evaporation. Chlorine is also found in rock salt. Rock salt is sodium chloride. You find it underground. Also, you can find chlorine in combined states in stomach acid. Stomach acid is muriatic acid or hydrochloric acid present in human stomach. It functions as digestive compound. Iodine can be obtained from Chiles saltpeter. Chiles saltpeter is potassium triisonitrate 5 that contains impurities of sodium iodate. That's sodium trioxoiodate 3, Ni, sodium trioxoiodate 5, NaIO3. Halogens they actually have colors. They are substances with colors, and we have gas in that group, we have liquid in that group, we have solid in that group. In fact, it's the only group of the periodic table that contains elements at all the 3 states of matter. Fluorine is a gas with a pale yellow color. Chlorine too is a gas with a greenish yellow color. Bromine is a liquid with a dark red color and brown vapor. Iodine is a solid, a black solid, and a purple in vapor state. Astatine is radioactive and the color is black. Let's look at the general properties of halogens. Halogens are all diatomic nonmetals. They are all nonmetals and they are diatomic at room temperature. Fluorine exists as F2, chlorine as Cl2, bromine as Br2, iodine as I2. They are all diatomic at room temperature. They all have characteristic color. They have color that can be used to characterize them, that can be used to identify them. Like fluorine has yellow color, pale yellow color, as you can see from the screen. Fluorine, pale yellow color. Chlorine, greenish yellow color. Bromine, orange color, reddish brown color. Iodine is black in color, and astatine is also black. They are able to form color because they absorb light in the visible range to form excited states. Number 3, halogen form single covalent bond. Since they are in group 7, they have a valency of 1, and your valency determines the number of bonds that you can form. So they can only form a single covalent bond with each other, with themselves, and with atoms of other elements. Halogens produce toxic vapors. Their vapors are toxic That's why when you are preparing them in the laboratory, you must either wear nose masks or gas masks rather, or perform the experiment in a fume cupboard to prevent the inhalation of toxic vapor. So this is how we're going to be starting with halogens. In our next video, we'll be looking at more properties of halogen. Thank you.